Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. You all know I have a Volkswagen Jetta. It's a 2015. Got a little over 78,000 miles on this Jetta. And this company reached out to me, FITCAM, for a dash cam for my car. Ideas for driving. It's a 4K Ultra 4D dash cam. I'll unbox this and we'll install this in the truck, in the car, sorry. As you can see, it's Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide load, perfect fit, high range. So I have, like I said, a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta, 78,000 miles. And here is my mount. Okay, so like I said, FitCam reached out to me about sending me a dash camera for the vehicle. They have some that are plug and play. If you have some of the sensors and stuff up on your windshield, underneath your rearview mirror, like my Jeep does, it's just a plug and play. This is a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. It does not have all that stuff. So I'm going to have to run a wire and plug it to the OBD connection at the bottom for the power. Like I said, if I had some of the newer cars, it will be a direct fit, plug and play, no extra wires, no nothing. And I'm going to open this up, show you what's inside. We're going to install it. I'm going to show you what it looks like driving down the road. All right, here is the unboxing of the FitCam. It comes with a 64 gigabyte card, the dash cam, and the accessories. Like I said, if I had a newer car with all the bells and whistles, I wouldn't need the power cord. It would be plug and play. Go to the link down below and see if they have one that's direct fit for your car. Or, like mine, it is pre-electronics age. So they make direct fits for us, but we have to run the power cord down to the connector. Let me open these up. I haven't even read the instruction. I'm sure this is the tool to put these wires. This plugs into your OBD plug at the bottom, and this runs up into your windshield. So you would run it up and under to up there. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I have not looked at the instructions. That is probably for some trim piece. Okay, this was what will go around the mirror. And here's the camera. The instructions talks about how to pair this up to your phone. It don't tell you how to connect, how to wire this to your car. All right, one of the first things I'm going to do, I'm going to put their memory card in. It only could go in one way, which it goes right there. You hear it click in. And I believe that's how it goes. Let's take that little cover off. Take the little cover off the lens. Try to route this wire so it does not get plugged up. Not too bad. Now, will this still fit? Okay. All right, it is installed. Now I gotta run the wire. All right, fun part, should I get this connected the right way? There, it's connected. All right, I was able to pop this cover off, and I can run the wire up, over in here, and then up. Okay. I removed this panel here to plug it up to the OBD cord. I'll pry this cord off, this panel off, to run it up. Now you can try to stick it all the way down in here. I just looped it around a few times. All right, like I said, I could try to wire it up around in here and all. I don't drive this car that much, just when I'm home. Otherwise it sits. I'll probably zip tie this up maybe. Let's see how this pairs up. The book it comes with has many languages. First thing first, you have to download the app, FITCAMX. Tells you how to restart the camera, indicator, installation. I used the wiring kit that come with it. It don't give you much description onto how to install it on the car. And like I said, if you had a car that had cameras and all that, it'd be a direct plug and play. You want to have to do the wiring like I had to. But here's what it looks like. Not too shabby. If I had a newer car or my Jeep, I wouldn't have had to do all this. It would be a direct plug and play. The link will be in the description for FITCAMX, and they're supposed to give me a discount code. I will put it in the link in the description. They want to see the video before. But like I said, it is an easy install, even for my older 2015 Jetta with 78,000 miles on it. Like I said, check out the description down below. They might be a discount code for you to save some money. Direct, easy, put in. Even for this older car, I don't have direct easy, but install time took maybe 15 minutes if I wasn't recording. Yeah, I could have hide the wires a little bit better, but for me, it's okay. Thumb up the video. If you're new, hit the subscribe. Check out the website down below for FITCAM and see what kind of options they have for your vehicle. Like I said, this is a 2015 Jetta. The newer cars is plug and play. You wouldn't have to run all these wires. But I'm going to show you a loop right here of me driving. See what you think. Okay, this is driving on a 2-lane road. I have a few second clip. And then I'll have a few second clip on the interstate. What the camera looks like driving down the road. And here's the interstate a couple hours later when I was headed to work. Y'all have a great day. Thumb up the video. Check out the description down below for maybe a discount.